Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand the HTML file extensions. HTML document or file extension can be either .htm or .html. Both the extensions mean the same and work the same way, and the choice is completely based on personal preference. Depending on the web server configuration, one of these file extensions take precedence over the other one. Make sure we are consistent in using the same file extension across the application. In case if we are using .htm file extension, then make sure that we use the same extension across all the HTML documents on an application. In the similar way, if you are using .html as the file extension for all the HTML files, then make sure that we use the same extension for all the HTML files on our application. Now let's look at some important details about both these file extensions. Extension .html is widely used nowadays, and we suggest using this extension. Extension HTML is considered to be the default HTML file extension by web browsers and servers. Extension .htm is widely used in old and ancient days in operating systems where 4-letter file extensions were not allowed, like DOS. If you are using the extension .htm, you may need some additional server configurations to make sure the server knows about it, as it is not the default HTML file extension these days. Overall, file extension .html is the one that is widely used nowadays, and it is the default HTML file extension on both servers and browsers. With all this being discussed, let's quickly look at how browsers display the contents of both these types of documents. We have both the types of documents on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have the browser that is displaying the content of both these documents. The first document is .htm, where we just included this hello world, and the other document is .html, and the same content on this document as well. If you look at the browser, the .htm file is displaying this hello world text, and similarly .html is also displaying the same content. So overall, there is no difference whether you use .htm or .html file extension. There will not be any difference in the way the content of the files are being displayed by the web browsers. But .html is the default file extension, and we suggest using that for all the HTML files that we are going to create. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.